So hello guys, today we are gonna seeing how to create a React app. Okay, so let's get started. First, open your Visual Studio Code. Now the first step is to create your folder. Click on open folder, create any new folder. So I am creating a new folder. My folder name is test app. Okay, once the folder is created, click on select folder. So as you can see, a folder is created. Once the folder is created, open your terminal. Step 2. In step 2, type npm create Vite @latest. Okay, once done, click enter. So now there you have to type your project name. Now it will create another folder. So my project name is test. Okay, once your project name is done, and the third step is to choose React. You can go to the down arrow and select React. Okay, once the React is selected, then you need to select the framework. In framework, you need to select JavaScript. Okay, so once done, change your directory to the newly created test folder. So once you in your test folder, you can type npm install. No need to type fully install, as you can do it, but I also do the work in the same way. So as you can see, our test app folder is like ready. You need to wait some time as it is creating. Yes, as you can see, our folder is created, test app. So now you need to type npm run dev, npm run dev to start your development server. So once your development server is started, you need to follow this link. As you can see, our Vite plus React app has just started. Another bonus point, as a beginner, if let me show you. If you close this project right from here, okay, like 1 minute. If you close this project right from here, and as a beginner, I used to figure out how to restart this. So let me go back. Okay, so I have just cut it. So let me reopen it. Okay, so I have reopened my project. Okay, so once you in your project, as you can see here, I am in my project and my server has stopped. So now you need to change directory to test folder. Okay, with that you can type npm run dev. Okay, without test you can't start your local development server. Okay, you need to change your directory first, as you are a beginner or you want to head directly. So thanks for watching. I'll see you on next one. If any problem is happening to your React app by installing, comment down, I'll reply you.